هم للطريق مشاعل الأنوار، هم للنسيم عبيره الفوار، هم قادة رفعوا التميز راية، هم في العزيمة همة الأنصار. هم للطريق مشاعل الأنوار، هم للنسيم عبيره الفوار، هم قادة رفعوا التميز راية، هم في العزيمة همة الأنصار. لبناء جيل رائد بسلاحه علما وروحا للتقدم جاري، لبناء جيل رائد بسلاحه علما وروحا للتقدم جاري، وبمنهج شرب الأصالة منهما ذاك الكتاب وسنة المختار، ذاك الكتاب وسنة المختار. هم للطريق مشاعل الأنوار، هم للنسيم عبيره الفوار، هم قادة رفعوا التميز راية، هم في العزيمة همة الأنصار. هم للطريق مشاعل الأنوار، هم للنسيم عبيره الفوار، هم قادة رفعوا التميز راية، هم في العزيمة همة الأنصار. ولهم بأخلاق الكرام مآثر يروونها بتواتر الأخبار، ولهم بأخلاق الكرام مآثر يروونها بتواتر الأخبار. ناد له من كل حقل زهرة بحر العلوم وأنهر الأفكار.
Now, let's move to Unit 3, Lesson 5. It is about what we call word study. Word study. In this lesson, we are going to present some words and we are going to explain them. As you see, number one, able. What's able? Able, as we see, it is not a word. It is what we call a suffix that is added at the end of the verb to change it into an adjective. The suffix able means able to be or needing to be. Able to be or needing to be. Number two, acquire. Acquire means get. As we see, it is a regular verb. This is what we call the part of speech, and this is the kind of this verb that is regular. Regular means it is acquire, in the past it is acquired, in the past participle it is acquired as well. Acquire, acquired, acquire. Aircraft. Aircraft, this word is a noun. It is irregular. Why is it irregular? Because aircraft is singular and plural as well. It has two roles. It plays a role of a singular word and a plural word as well. يعني مفرد وجمع في نفس الوقت. Continually, this word is an adverb. It means very often or very often. We can say often or often, or repeated many times. Very often or repeated many times. Fare. Fare means the money paid by the passengers to travel on a bus, ship, plane, or train, or in a taxi. This word is a noun, fare. In Arabic it means al-ujra, ujrat al-tayran yani. Fleet. Fleet, this word is a noun. It means a group of aircraft or ships. A group of aircrafts or ships. That's to say, Sabitco. All of us know Sabitco. Sabitco has a large fleet of buses. Sabitco has a large fleet of buses. Flight attendant. Flight attendant. This word is a noun. It means a person who looks after and helps passengers on a plane. A person who looks after and helps passengers on a plane. In Arabic it means مضيف أو مضيفة الطيران. Headquarters. Headquarters. This word is a noun. It is singular in spite of the fact that it ends with the letter S, but it is a singular. The place, it means the place from which an organization is run. The place from which an organization is run. Or the main offices of an organization. The main offices of an organization. اللي هو المقر أو المكتب الرئيسي. Increase. Increase. This word is a noun. If it is a verb, it is said increase. But here the part of speech refers to the fact that it is a noun, so it is pronounced like this, increase. Increase here is a noun from the verb increase. Increase, increase. بمعنى يزداد. Jet. This word is a noun and an adjective at the same time. It means a kind of engine. نوع من المحركات. يعني الطائرة النفاثة أو طائرة نفاثة يعني صفة أو اسم. A kind of engine. نوع من المحركات. Official. Official. This word is a noun. It means a person who holds a position in the government or some other organization. A person who holds a position in the government or some other organization. بمعنى موظف حكومي. Service. Service. This word has 3 definitions. Definition number 1, it means something done regularly. Something done regularly for people by an organization. Definition number 2, it means an organization that provides a service. An organization that provides a service. For example, the fire service. The fire service. Number 3, what someone does for a person as a part of his job. What someone does for a person as a part of his job. Now let's move to a very simple exercise to know how to keep these definitions by heart. Number 1, acquire. In this exercise, we are going to match the word with its definition. Just write the number of the word between brackets. Acquire, fare, fleet, headquarters, jet, aircraft. The definitions we are going to match with are like this: a group of aircraft, buses, or planes. Main office, a machine which flies. Get, money paid by the passenger, a kind of engine. Now let's try to match the word with its definition. Just write the line number between brackets as we said. Acquire, what does it mean? It means, excuse me, we are going to match this definition with the word. So that's to say, a group of aircraft, buses, or planes. It means what? It means fleet. A group of aircraft, buses, or planes. It means fleet. Main office. What does it mean, main office? It means headquarters. So the answer is number 4. Main office means headquarters. A machine which flies. A machine which flies. What does it mean? Number 6. Aircraft. Aircraft. So any kind of anything which flies high in the sky we can call it aircraft. اللي هي أي نوع من الطائرات. Aircraft. يبقى it is a machine which flies. Get. What does it mean? Let's see. It is acquire. Number 1. It is acquire. After that, money paid by the passenger. Money paid by the passenger. It is what we call fare. وهي الأجرة. Fare. It is the money paid by the passenger. The last one is a kind of engine. A kind of engine. The answer is number 5, that is jet. Jet. So jet is a kind of engine. After that, let's move to your student's box, page 38, and try to answer the question that is about choosing the correct words from the box and write them in the spaces below. Choose the correct words from the box and write them in the spaces below. Let's read the given words at the very beginning. Repeat after me. Acquired, aircraft, enjoyable, fare, flight attendant, unofficial, rest, save, southern, and wide-bodied. These are the given words with which we are going to fill in the space in the following exercises. Choose the correct words from the box. This question, as it is quoted from your student's box, page 38. Last week, I traveled to Riyadh from Najran in the space region. Look at the words in your box. Who can give me the answer? You have just 1 minute to think. The answer is southern. Southern region. بمعنى المنطقة الجنوبية. I took a taxi to the airport. I took a taxi to the airport. The taxi space was 20 riyals. Was 20 riyals. What is was 20 riyals? It is what we call the taxi fare. The taxi fare. I flew on the one of the big new space planes. I flew on the one of the big new space planes. It is wide-bodied. Wide-bodied planes. بمعنى طائرات ضخمة أو واسعة. It is a TriStar. Saudi has a space 5 different types of. Saudi has what? Has acquired. Saudi has acquired 5 different types of what? Of aircraft. Saudi has acquired 5 different types of aircraft. After we talk of, the space brought us a drink of orange juice. Who present us a drink of orange juice in the plane? It is the flight attendant. So the flight attendant brought us a drink of orange juice and something to eat. Then I was able to space for most of the journey. I was able to space for most of the journey. The suitable answer is rest. بمعنى يسترخي أو يرتاح. As we said before, it is relax or rest. Then I was able to rest for most of the journey. The 2-hour flight was very space. The 2-hour flight was very space. So the answer is enjoyable. The 2-hour flight was very enjoyable. I had a good time. The car journey takes 12 hours. The car journey takes 12 hours. So I was able to space 10 hours. As long as the car journey or the journey on land takes 12 hours, بمعنى 12 ساعة, so I was able to save what? We have to subtract 12 out of 2, so the answer will be 10 hours. يبقى I was able to save. What's the meaning of save؟ بمعنى يوفر أو يدخر أو يوفر 10 ساعات. Save 10 hours. When I arrived, I was met by space from the Ministry of Post and Telegraphs. When I arrived, I was met by space from the Ministry of Post and Telegraph. The suitable answer is unofficial. Unofficial. So the answer will be when I arrived, عندما وصلت, I was met by an official from the Ministry of Post and Telegraph. قُبلت أو تم مقابلتي بواسطة موظف من وزارة البرق والبريد. This is the end of lesson 5.